Yesterday I talked about the LinkedIn URL that you can change. I wanted to show you guys how that works. Go into LinkedIn. Going to just sign in. Click on me. Go to my profile. And then right up here, edit public profile and URL. If you click that, you can actually change what the last part of your LinkedIn URL is. If you look up here, this is the LinkedIn URL. I'm in my public profile settings, and then this tells you the page that we're resourcing to make these changes. So if you want to make the change, you just add it in here. Now you can't duplicate another URL. So if you have like a Chris Smith name, that might not give you the URL you're looking for. But if you kind of extend this business card conversation and give your URL something associated with your business card so that there's a link between those two items, you can hand somebody your business card and say, you can find me at LinkedIn, just type in Rethink Revenue, and I come to the top. If you guys try that in your search bar, and this is like obviously not my name, right? If I go my name comes to the top here, and it'll do the same in yours too. So just wanted to drop this video. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. Again, that was go to your little face up here, your picture, click on this, go to view profile, and then up here in the upper left hand or upper right hand corner, sorry, is edit public profile and URL. So this is where you make changes to your overall profile from the settings perspective. Just click this little pencil and take off with it. I appreciate your time. Good fortune.